Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Number One English, the place where English feels simple and friendly. I'm Susan.
Hello, Susan, and hello, everyone. I'm Mark, and I'm very happy to be here today.
Hi, Mark. You sound cheerful today.
I am. The weather is nice, and I feel relaxed. Sunny days help my mood. How about you?
I'm doing very well, too. I feel excited.
Excited? That sounds interesting. Why are you excited?
Because today's topic is very important for English learners. It's something many people struggle with.
Now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about how to train your brain to speak English naturally.
Train my brain? Like exercise?
Exactly. Just like physical exercise, but for your mind.
That sounds difficult.
Actually, it's not. It's simple, practical, and even enjoyable.
Enjoyable learning? I like that idea. I'm ready.
Great. But before we begin, everyone, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us create more helpful episodes.
And share this episode with friends who are learning English. Sharing really helps.
Thank you so much. Now, let's begin.
Okay, Susan, when I try to speak English, something strange happens.
Tell me more.
I first think in my own language, then I translate in my head, and only then I speak.
Yes, that's very common.
But it feels slow. My brain feels tired.
That's because translation uses a lot of energy. Our goal is something different.
What's the goal?
The goal is to think directly in English.
Think in English? No translation?
Exactly. No mental switching, just English.
That sounds fast and a little scary.
It feels strange at first, but it becomes natural, and we always start small.
How small?
Very small. Small sentences, not big ideas.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Look around you right now. What do you see?
I see a chair. I see my phone.
Good. Now say a sentence in your head.
This is my chair. My phone is on the table.
Perfect. That's brain training.
So I don't just think words, I think sentences.
Yes, sentences connect meaning. Words alone don't.
I like this. It feels simple.
You can do this all day. In the morning when you wake up.
I can think, I'm awake. I feel sleepy.
Exactly. Or I need water. I'm hungry.
When I brush my teeth, the water is cold.
Yes, you are connecting English to real life.
So English becomes part of my day.
That's the key. English should live in your life, not in a book.
I like that idea.
This is tip number 1. Think in small English sentences.
Okay, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input?
Yes, English going into your brain.
Through my ears and eyes?
Exactly. Listening and watching.
Like this podcast.
Yes, simple English podcasts are great input.
What else?
Music. Simple songs with clear words.
Songs repeat words.
Yes, repetition helps your brain learn patterns.
Patterns like I am, you are, I like.
Exactly. Your brain learns the rhythm of English.
So input feeds my brain.
That's a good way to say it. English food for your brain.
I like that. What about videos?
Videos are excellent, but choose slow and simple ones.
Movies are too fast for me.
That's normal. Instead, watch things you enjoy.
I like cooking videos.
Perfect. You hear actions and see actions together.
He cuts the onion. He adds salt.
Exactly. That connection is powerful.
I also like sports.
Then watch short sports clips. He kicks the ball. It's a goal.
Learning feels easier when I like the topic.
Yes, a happy brain learns faster.
So tip 2 is listen and watch things I enjoy.
Correct.
What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is output.
Output means English out.
Yes, speaking.
But I don't have a partner.
You don't need one. You can speak to yourself.
To myself?
Yes, in your room, in the shower, in the car.
People won't hear me.
Exactly. No pressure.
But what do I say?
Describe what you see. Describe what you're doing. This is my room. The bed is big. The wall is white. Perfect. Your ears need to hear your voice.
It feels strange, but good.
That's learning happening.
I'm not translating. I see the bed and say bed.
That connection builds fluency.
At night, I can talk about my day.
Exactly. Today I worked. I ate pasta. I felt tired.
So I can practice alone.
Yes, a partner helps, but it's not required.
This feels possible now.
Let's review.
Tip 1. Think in small sentences.
Tip 2. Input. Listen and watch simple English.
Tip 3. Output. Speak, even alone.
And here's an extra tip.
Oh, a bonus tip.
Be patient with yourself.
Learning is slow.
Yes, but slow is normal.
What about mistakes?
Mistakes are good. They mean your brain is working.
So mistakes are not failure. I like that.
10 to 15 minutes every day is enough.
Small steps every day.
Exactly.
Susan, this makes English feel friendly.
That's the goal.
My brain feels stronger already.
Your English brain is growing.
That was a great episode.
Thank you, Mark. You asked great questions.
We hope this helps everyone listening.
And before we go, one last request.
Please subscribe to the channel.
And share this episode with someone learning English.
And here's today's question.
What do you do to train your brain in English?
Do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself?
Write your ideas in the comments. We'd love to read them. Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye. Always keep learning.
Bye-bye.